Welcome to Somnium 3.0. This is an alpha of Somnium 3.0. This is the city center. But that's not the reason why we're here. Today we will be reviewing or giving a first look at Somnium VR1, but in VR. Hands-on video. Look at this beauty. Oh my god, this is the fully loaded version. By the way, the same version I'm wearing right now. So what you're hearing is, of course, the microphone of VR1, the two microphones of VR1. And let's have a closer look at this headset, shall we? So yeah, this is the VR1. Here we have, of course, here ultra leap hand tracking sensors. We have two main mixed reality cameras. We have, of course, all over the place, all on the sides, we have sensors for lighthouse tracking. We have beautiful logo here, which also, the VR1 logo, which also covers one of the screws in there. We have first anchor point here on the right side with 4 screws and the heating dissipation output. Then we have the second anchor point, of course, with USB-C. This is the first USB-C, this is the second USB-C. We have third anchor point with 2 screws in, and the third USB-C. This is the IPD adjustment part. And we have the fourth anchor point also with 2 screws, of course, allowing you to use almost any head strap which is available on the market with VR1. Now we have, of course, 4 buttons. Actually, in this model, these buttons don't have any tactile bumps on them, but in the production unit we already do have. You will be able to, intuitively feel which button you are touching, so that's great. Then, of course, you have 2 RGB LEDs, fully controllable, fully programmable, and you'll be able to control those from our software. Then you have the main screws of the front plate, and of course, then you have a strap. Right now, it's being worked on. There will be some modifications, you will learn about that. Then you'll have a face mask here, and you have some through the lens. Look at this, let's check it out. Ooh, very sharp image, unbelievable quality, great field of view. I mean, honestly, anything you want from the VR headset. Oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you that here is an eye tracking, the cameras for eye tracking. Also, IR diodes are all over the place around to lighten up your eye. And yeah, I mean, this is just one hell of a beast. By the way, this is an air intake for the cooling. We have great cooling system in the headset. So there are 2 fans, their intake air here and the outflow air, and it's directed in a way that it's outflowing in this direction. So there is a special like way how it's molded, so the air is going not straight, not to you, but out. So you never hear that and you never feel the heat, but it's done. And honestly, I have to say this is a very good headset. It brings you really a lot of things, and in my opinion, this is the best PC VR headset you're available right now in terms of the visual quality, FOV, modularity. Eye tracking is open sourced, of course. The cameras, you have access to all the sensors. This is just a hell of a package, and can't wait for first customers to start receiving their headsets. And for those who have access to Somnium 3.0 Alpha, they already can explore this headset in here and kind of have the first hands-on. But yeah, I'm actually wearing the same headset right now, and I'm excited. I'm excited to see it here, and I'm excited to wear it. So thumbs up from my side. Thanks a lot, and hopefully we'll see you here soon in Somnium 3.0. Bye bye.